Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, Suitcafe, suitcafe.com, and I have another unboxing. We haven't done a shoe unboxing in a little while. Of course, all of you know we got to do the smell test with the shoes so we could smell what type of leather it is. Here's the box right here. It is sealed. I haven't seen it yet myself, and we're going to go ahead and open it up right now and show you what is inside. Okay, welcome back, everybody. I'm going to reach over here for my scissor. We're going to open up this, by the way, how do you like this suit? Navy blue Super 120 flannel. I've worn it before on some videos. Love the silver tie with little blue specks in it to pull that out. And still cold in New York, like really freezing. Still got to wear winter. Spring is not even here, although we got a lot of new spring orders that came in. We're going to do some unboxings of those too. We got suits, we got jackets. Going to show you those things in some new videos coming up. But let's get these shoes open right now for you, because I got to really rush. You know why? Because this is getting picked up to get to the customer. So we have to show it to you right now. Okay, here we go. We got the shoe box. Let's get this out of here. Boom, there we go. We'll flip the top and we will do the smell test, and let's see what we think this is. Ooh, not brand, like a brand new car. Nice, really nice. This is definitely leather. I'm saying it's a leather, like a real leather, not suede, not ostrich, not exotic skin. This is a regular classic leather shoe. And let's take a look and see what we got. We'll do the unveil right here. Here we go. One. Oh, we got a little plastic bag here. Maybe we can get them both off at the same time. By the way, shoes made in Spain. Here we go. And no tariff. No tariff on these shoes. We're not charging tariffs. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, look at that. That is the monkstrap, the classic black monkstrap in the vitello leather, all black. Now, what's special about this particular shoe, let me show you from the side. Get a little close-up over there. Hold it still, and we give you the front view. Hold it still right there. We'll give you the back view. There you go, and we'll give you the opposite side right there. Okay, but what's really special about this shoe is the sole. Look at the sole. This is day-night. You see it says right there, day-night? The day-night sole. Now, the sole is made in England. It's a special sole that's made in England, and we get them to the factory in Spain, and then we offer it as a sole to put on your shoes. And, of course, hand-sewn. So you get the hand stitching right here on the day-night. So Goodyear welted, the most expensive way to make a shoe. And also, really, you want to buy Goodyear welted shoes because they're not glued together. Goodyear welted is a hand-sewn, hand-stitched shoe, but there's a layer of cork inside here. So when you take this off, there's like a little well inside, and inside is a layer of cork. And what does that cork do? Over time, as you wear the shoe and as you walk in the shoe, that cork forms to your foot. So it makes the shoe fit a little better over time. And also, what it also does, although this has a rubber bottom, the day-night, which is a very strong rubber bottom, by the way, it allows for water not to go into the sole. So if you have a leather sole that's Goodyear, the water doesn't penetrate through that cork, which is another good reason why to have Goodyear. And of course, this one has the gold. I'm not sure if you can tell. This is gold hardware. It's not nickel. It's actually gold. And you have a choice. You can get gold, you can get copper, you can get nickel, and you can get gunmetal hardware on this type of shoe. This shoe we sell now $390. Price is still good. Tariffs may raise it a little bit. We're not sure as of now. No raising prices with the tariffs from Spain. So there you have it. The good unboxing. The great smell of a new leather shoe. I hope you like it. This is a 10.5 if you want to get an idea of sizing. 10.5. I think it's on this little small. We tend to make big shoes for whatever reason, up to size 17. So I don't know why bigger guys found us for shoes. 12, 13, 14 even. I made 14 triple E. Anyhow, there you go. The classic black monkstrap shoe with the gold hardware. Hope you liked it. Leave me a comment if you want. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I always forget to say that at the end. And stay tuned for some more unboxing videos of the amazing spring-summer collection that's already been coming in for customers. I showed you in my prior video to this one, the beautiful Giorgio Armani double-breasted suit I made with no lapels for a customer. Totally bespoke, custom, and I can make the same one for you if you like. So see you all again when I'm back at it.